Psalm 1 verse 1 to 2. Blessed is the man who does not walk in the counsel of the wicked, or stand in the way of sinners, or sit in the seat of mockers. But his delight is in the law of the Lord, and on his law he meditates day and night. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me once again. So this video is a makeup tutorial inspired by this Ankara fabric. I know I've said in most of my videos that I am not a fan of eyelashes, but in this video I will be wearing eyelashes because I want to enhance my look. So now let's get on with the video. Please don't forget to subscribe for more. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section and I'll be glad to answer them. So I'm trying to wear eyelashes for the first time and I must say that I'm really having a tough time. So before I put on my eyeshadow, I'm going to prime my eyes using my Makeup Forever mattifying primer. Always sweep a primer over your lids before applying eyeshadow. This step is important if you have greasy lids or do when summer hits. The primer keeps the eyeshadow in place. Then after, I'm going to moisturize my face using my CBD serum. The antioxidants in CBD helps lessen the visible signs of aging. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply my hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is a powerful skincare ingredient that helps retain moisture. Because of this, serums that contain hyaluronic acid are ideal for those with oily skin. Using a fluffy eyeshadow brush, I am going to blend this Spice Red eyeshadow all over my eye. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply this lemon green on my eyelid. For my foundation, I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Chai. The brush I'm using is the Expert Face brush from Real Techniques, and this one is number 200. So now I'm going to go ahead and conceal my under eyes using my LA Girl Pro Conceal. This one is in the color Fawn. I'm going to go ahead and define my nose with this brown eyeshadow. So now using this dark shade from my Classic Makeup USA Compact palette, I am going to contour my jaw. I'm going to go ahead and blend my concealer. So now to set my concealer, I'm going to use my Too Faced Born This Way setting powder. This one is the translucent medium. So now to set my whole face, I'm using my Mineralized Skin Finish from MAC. This one is in the shade Dark. Now I'm going to go ahead and highlight my brow bone as well as the tip of my nose using my Glazing bronzing powder from Catrice Cosmetics. This one is in the shade CO3. For my lips, I'm using the Retro Matte All Fired Up lipstick from MAC. So now I'm going to go ahead and highlight my cheekbones using the same Catrice Cosmetics Glazing bronzing powder. The mascara I'm using now is the Outrageous Oversized Lashes from Sephora. So now I'm going to go ahead and set my makeup using my Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. This setting spray is lightweight and is up to 16-hour wear.